Good morning, students. Today I will take a class of computer. So, hope all of you are well. And now I start with a special thing today. আমি আগেও তোমাদেরকে মাইক্রোসফট ওয়ার্ডে কিছু বিষয় সম্পর্কে জানিয়েছিলাম। আজকে আমি তোমাদের কিছু ইউনিক কিছু ফিচার্স জানাবো। বিশেষত টেবিল নিয়ে কাজ করার ব্যাপারেই জানিয়েছিলাম কিছু। আজকে আমি তোমাদের দেখাবো how to insert an image in Microsoft Word document. You know what? Today, an image plays an important role in any document. So it is important to attach an image in a document where we can find a lot of things at a single document. So first of all, we need to learn how to insert an image to a Word document. Suppose we know that whenever we try to insert, then we need to go through insert option. Insert option, then we find an image. You can find the image, and then first of all we need to select the image from the computer, and where the image is located, you need to find out the path. Then you select the image. Suppose the image in computer D drive, and then a folder name is image. Then you find a particular image name. Suppose the image name is flower.jpg. Then you find the image, particular image, and wherever you find the image, then click on the image. Then find the image in this particular path. Then you select the image. After selecting the image, you will find a special option here, insert. Just inserting the image, then you will see the image on the Word document where you want to settle the image. Okay, এইভাবে আমরা কি করব, একটা ইমেজকে আমরা ওয়ার্ড ডকুমেন্টে কি করতে পারি, ইনসার্ট করতে পারি। Otherwise, there are many options to insert the image in the Microsoft Word document. Suppose an image is on the desktop of the computer. Then you need to copy it. Copy means you can copy it through keyboard. Otherwise, you can copy it, right click and copy. Then you need to find the Word document here, and whenever the cursor will be placed, then you can just paste it with the help of keyboard by pressing Ctrl+V. Then you can find the particular image on the Word document, and this is how we can insert an image to the Word document. Very specifically, we know that image play an important document in any matter of content. Then we need to adjust the image, particularly the image size. Image size is a matter. We can reduce the image size by cropping it. That is called cropping. This particular features will reduce the image size, and it will take the actual snapshot of it. And we can also manage to resize by specifying the width and its percentage, how many percentage will take. Then you can also adjust the image. and that's way you can convert the image into another image by cropping it or by adjusting the scaling it. That is called scaling. And after that, you also provide some unique tools that is also used for image modification, that is its quality. You can also manage to increase its brightness, its contrast, sharpness. That is the inner features. Whenever the image seen at just some blur, then you can update the brightness, contrast and sharpness. Then you can find the image beautifully, and it can be seen so clear and beautiful. After that, whenever we need to place the image, we need to find out the cursor, and then after we need to press it. Then you will see the image in the particular position where you want. Okay, this is the whole way process. You can just inserting the image. I hope all of you understand, and it will be very easy if you go through a particular practical mode. Then you will be able to understand the whole process. It is so much similar as we find earlier. That's why we will discuss more about it when we'll come for the next class. Okay, thank you very much. Let's go.